Hello! Let's see if these 5 stars are legit. Hello everybody, and once again we are back.
Yes.
We are back with another video, another product, another amazing device has hit the stage today on Handsome Gadgets. And of course, just like every other video, you could pick this up on Amazon for about 50 bucks. Now my current PC audio setup, I got the, the left channel and the right channel speakers, and I got the sub at the bottom and all that. Sometimes you just want simplicity. Sometimes you just want great sound. Sometimes you just want something that's a little bit more cleaner because the speakers do stand up quite a bit. And when I saw this, I was like, man, this will fit perfectly underneath my monitors, right in the center, front and center. And it's got a neat little feature that I don't want to spoil it. You're gonna have to wait and see what I'm talking about. This soundbar packs audio power with finely tuned dual 7-watt drivers to bring sound to life for fantastically dynamic audio experience. You can effortlessly connect wireless connection to Bluetooth enabled devices via Bluetooth 5.0 and a wired connection to other devices via the 3.5mm aux cord. The size, it's remarkably small. I had to use a different lens to get the full picture, but still, it's not that big. And it says it's uniquely versatile. Built-in timer lets you record gaming sessions. Plugging your wired headphones via the 3.5mm aux port to game at night without disturbing others. Cool. So there's pretty much nothing really going on the outside of the box, so let's just dig right in. We got this cute little cardboard box inside the box. Let's see what's inside this box. All right, so it looks like we got our aux cable, fairly decent size in length, maybe about 3 feet in length. Here we have our power supply. Gotta give it some juice. And who's this little fella right here? He wants me to read him. Aww. Ooh. Yeah. A $15 gift card. So steps to get the gift. Sign into your Amazon account, enter your order number, and find your blah, blah, blah. Computer speaker purchase. You gotta submit a review and email them, and you get a $15 gift card. Very nice, very nice. What a genius way to get your word out, and hopefully these reviews are accurate, Hopefully people are just not putting positive reviews because they want the gift card. They could backfire, but we'll find out. Oh. So here's a template. So if you want to mount it, you got your template here. So yeah, that's nice. This little doodad I almost forgot. And just like thousands and millions of boxes all throughout the world, the user guide. Gotta throw one in. All right, everybody, drum roll, please. Here is our soundbar. So the soundbar looks to be about 1.5 feet wide and about 5 inches deep. It's real compact and small, and if this packs a punch like it's supposed to, I'm gonna be jumping for joy. Looks like up top we got ourselves our power button, volume up, volume down, play and pause button, that timer button that they were talking about, and the secret button is at the far right side. Underneath here you got some rubber cushion, for the vibration. You don't want this rattling off the table or off your desk, Here's a look at the back. We got some vents out back, gotta pump all that air out. On the outside you'll have your mounting spot. We have our aux in, our aux out, and our DC in. So I guess the next thing for us to do is first flip this around and zoom on out and plug this in and see, if the hype is real. If the hype is real. I'm hoping. All right, so we're back in it. And I got some lo-fi hip hop queued up. Let's turn this baby on and let's see what she's all about. Did you guys see that? Yes, we got RGBs, but let's switch it. It's looking for Bluetooth. I don't know if we line. Okay, That's what we want. That's what we want. Volume, let's turn the baby down. Turn it to 1. Let's do this chill hop. All right, so we got it on 1 right now. Let's turn it up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so that's the max. Oh man. Oh my goodness, it's moving. Let's turn that. My goodness. Okay, because I have my headset on, so the full sound, I really couldn't hear it. It sounded loud, but I wasn't sure. But then I took my headset off, and it was like, oh my goodness, that is loud. Wow. Okay, so let me turn it down, because what I wanted to do is I wanted to get the best sound possible. So I got the the aux in to the aux in, the aux out, all that stuff. It's directly connected, and to me it sounded really good, man. It sounded really, for $50. Wow. You know what? Let's play another track. My goodness, it's moving. The bass is moving this. But it sounds good.
Ooh, yeah. This sounds real good.
Okay, yeah, $50. I'm a believer. I'm like a Justin Bieber believer type of thing. This is pretty awesome, man. And it's gonna fit really nice. It's gonna have a nice background, and have the RGBs flowing, and it's gonna be real nice and pretty. And I'm looking forward to doing that, But what do you guys think about this TaoTronics soundbar? I know it sounds good. It sounds crisp. We'll see if it'll last the long haul. Amazon's got a good return policy, so I'll try it out for 30 days or so. And if the speakers blow or if something goes wrong, I'll let you guys know, but I'll also send it back too. So if you're ready to buy or would like more information on the TaoTronics gaming computer speaker setup, leave a comment down below or click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you're in the loop for all things handsome gadgets. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked the video. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram @HandsomeGadgets. Thank you and have a good one.